Sanibona nonke emakhaya kalibizo kikuqala Hamudiba ngujahangema your girl Strawberry. Welcome to Iziki. Please help me welcome our guest today. Sawubona bhuti wami njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Hayi siyaphila. Please ngicela ukuthi utshela ama-viewers wethu igama lakho, ubani, ubuyaphi?
Okay, sanibonani guys. Igama lami nguSenzo Louis Maseko, also known as Lins in my entertainment.
Hola Lins.
Sharp.
Siyabonga Linsi. Welcome to Iziki bhuti wami. Siyajabula ukuba nawe namhlanje. Please sithathe nje kancane uLinsi ngiyacabanga akazikhulisi, akakhula eyiwani, unama-siblings, unabazali, you understand? So sikaye nje i-background yakho, uma uceda lapho nje usishanye izigi lakho, sazi ukuthi ubhuti usiseleni namhlanje.
Alright. So yeah, umntwana yaseThema, born and bred eThema. So yeah, ngikhuliswa umagogo. Yeah, I lost my mother when I was in grade 5.
May
Yeah,
his soul
so I
rest in
have,
peace.
I have 2 brothers from my mother's side.
Okay.
So yeah, khulelela umagogo eThema. Yeah, and then I grew up like any other kid now, make us so yeah, and then my coco, my cousin, everyone. Yeah, life was not bad. It's not like us. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So yonke into yakho nje beyi-right.
Yeah.
So ugogo took over after umama passed on.
Yeah.
So how was it nogogo mamkhulu?
Coco was a sweet person. She was sweet. You couldn't tell no ukuthi maybe asinamama or maybe the way we look. So yeah, but futhi abelugrendi besingasweli nisi.
Hayi, bengicela ubhuti Senzo, angazi ukuthi ubhuti Senzo silandisa njengo-Liz. Uthe Lins. Oh, angazi uyositshela ngo-Lins or uyositshela ngo-Senzo?
I'll give you both sides.
Hayi, ngicela kuyosigaya.
So yeah, uSenzo intwana sensitive because the way I grew up, like
Yes.
I've experienced so many things. So I'll take you from my primary days. Being grand, I was a smart student when I was schooling, almost
Okay.
like top student. So teachers used to love me. I was just center of the attention every time. So grew up very scared about grand, and then when years passed by, I lost my mother. And then things changed, but yeah, it was still the same. I was still coping at school and everything. And then it happened, the incident when my mother passed away. I think a year after, I experienced some things. But that moment, I didn't know it was bad or something because it's not like Belang Limaza.
Okay.
So yeah, I would come from school, find her at school in young forget toilet, and then she'd take down my pants, my cousin, my older cousin that time.
Oh, okay. Your cousin and
She's still
sister.
cool.
Nihlala under one roof leso
Yeah,
sikhathi.
we stay in the same house because it's like in Laseka in Valley. So my granny had like probably 17 grandkids.
Okay.
So yeah, sihlala sonke. We had
Yeah,
this
kumnandi.
space,
I know the environment.
this space,
Yes.
yeah. So it was nice. You couldn't even tell. Okay, so when I came back from school, I went the toilet or and then I think traumatized because I would sleep because she has a sister as well.
Okay.
We would sleep together. We used to work, and then I forgot to go beside probably ngibambe lo wrong because I just suddenly used.
Oh, so now it's saying so progress.
Yeah, uthi manginalo we do this thing. So I would touch the wrong one and sleep. So I was like, nje kuswilo, and then but this thing happened. It's not like it's a once-off
Yeah,
thing.
no, and it's not a joke.
Then I went on, I passed the primary, I went to high school. And at high school, I was still smart, but being papa because of my looks, not the way I had freedom account. Because remember, I live with my grand. I have a room outside, there's space, there's no one telling me, yale. When I come in, I come in. So I would befriend abangani, lokishini, peer pressure, so lokishini, and then it's all it. Plus that time I was still in high school, except to many to la
Okay.
So I'll join those group of guys because now I have my own lang they would dress very nice, expensive clothes, but me now probably would get girls for them. So go and then it happened when I was 15. I impregnated this girl and she was older than me.
Sure.
So yeah, ngingaba nomntwana ngimncane, but ngibona manje like when I do self-introspection, but man, has this thing there lo ingilidele ukuthi ngize ngibe nomntwana ngisesemncane.
So is it safe to say bekake-rape?
Yeah, because it's not like you may planning the land or being phone. I mean, I trusted her as my older sister, like.
Okay.
So
bekamdala ubungakanani? I-age gap, age different yenu beyingakanani?
she's probably 7 years older than me because I'm 28. I think she's 30 something. She's older. She's the firstborn kubantwana bakimi. She has like 4 siblings
Oh,
after
okay.
her. Yeah.
Yes. Yo, okay. So senikhulile manje. Did you guys ever speak about it? Did you confront her? Or right, uyekeli lost ukuthi into normally. What happened?
So because, excuse me,
No, it's fine.
because vele kuzoba nama-feuds endlini. I'm a person ukuthi makanemali vele I'm like my mother. You can tell like give away ama-cousin wami nani 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 endlini. So nomamakhe naye bekane-agenda nomamama. I don't know nje, I don't wanna dwell on that.
Yes.
So mamakhe was always hostile towards me. And then one other time we fought nomamakhe and then yena wabhayisikeli. And then mabhayisikeli, my thoughts went back to what she did. Ngoba I'm like, wena how can you ungakhuza mina uwumuntu obheda kanje? Plus nami senginabantwana man. I'm like sometimes nginokuba ne-move ukuthi what if I leave my kid there and then
Yes.
bamenza lento le. And then makaqala angilwise ukuthi why ngilwa nomamakhe. I was like ngambizele esayidini ngathi ungayiqali lento ngoba you know ukuthi you're not a good person and I think it's time now we let people know what type of a person you are. I went and tell my grand which as in there's something I want to tell you because nayisebanabantwana I didn't want ukuthi ithi boom. Bengifuna ukuthi sibe civilized. I called out my grand, I called her ngathi ngicela size nekamereni. Mara because bekunento ethi man recorda la ukuthi nabantu estradini bangathi usile wena you want to shine your family.
It's a makeup
Because it's not like I wanna
Yes.
sleep with my cousin. Incest le, I wouldn't like that. So sharp. Ngiyababiza ngilayitha ifoni yami ngirekhode ngimbuze ngithi you remember what you did to me? Because sekazwile estradini ukuthi ngitshela abantu ukuthi wenzeni. She's like, yeah, wangirape. Uthi wena utshela abantu ukuthi mina ngakurape. Ngilayile ufuna ukenzani? Yeah.
Yo.
So I asked her makasho kanjalo ukuthi ungilayile. I'm like unomntana wentombazane. If mina I do that to her, umlandile lo mntana wentombazane. Wathi wozana miyenze. Ugogo wami was quiet. Till today I don't think they believe me. But it's fine.
It's a story for another day.
So yeah, that's what happened now. And then njengoba le recording le, I posted it on social media. And then probably abangani bakhe basesontweni and people told her.
Yes.
Yeah, and then she told her boyfriend, and then the boyfriend yakhona ngazi becabanga nor ayiplanana ukuthi iza kubani, iza iyadiver. And then he came to my room, wanted to fight. Why post into ezinje? Beat the boyfriend up. Vele, yeah, you don't come to me physical because I'll bite you. And then yeah, that's how it happened.
So this thing, how did it affect you? Because manje, now you risked your life. Ngabe manje sikhuluma nawe so because there's an assault now in place.
Yeah.
Because of the very same story.
Yeah.
Cousin wakho even noma bawuthi uyazama ukuthi niyikhulume ufuna ukuthi niyikhulume nikwazi ukuthi niyilungise ingandluleli nasebantwaneni benu kube into ebayithola sebayenza endlini because sekukhona phela umkhokha lento seyikhona sekhe yayenzeka so possibility ukuthi iphinde yenzeke kulabo abanye abancane ingabakhona ingayenzeka so ukhuluma naye because you wanted to stop ingasayenzeki and then niqolelane ufuna ijustice ufuna aboshwe. Like it affected na kanjani? Like I want to know it affected kanjani and you talking to her, what were your intentions?
I don't want malis guye or utkenzakale in.
Okay.
In my mind I was like, yo, what if lo muntu lo bekane AIDS or bekane zifo zakhe zama STDs that time? I don't know anything me. Yes. So shoot me ngimoshe future yami nalabantu mina engibe busy nabo. Ngenxa yakhe nayi what. So luckily ke ngoba zikho lezo zinto lezo shooting by the grace of God bazange zenzakale. She was clean, that's why nami nje. So yenye into engibhorale. So by confronting her bengifuna nje aveze ukuthi wayenzani because it's not like mina I'm congratulating here but yo ngathola umntwana ngimncane because of you or you see angisipara ngoba sengimdala manje I can stand up for myself. It's not like that time akekho umama akekho ubabami I don't know who to tell, you understand? So manje sengimdala I'm like no, she needs to know ukuthi ngimbona kanjani as umuntu because now I have a son, I have a daughter, so if ngizoza naye endlini now la madoda maybe bona bazi endlini mina I know which is capable of what, you understand? So I wanted her to just acknowledge what I did that I was dumb, I was what I was going through that
or I was young,
I won't hold it against her. Angifuna boshwa angifuna
yes.
I just want her ukuthi just asho nami ngizoyehlisa umoya ukuthi hayi man it's okay nami nokuyenza into zami ezidom khona mhlambi yabo
la ufuna ukuthi bakuqonele khona.
Yeah, so it's not like
yo so uthi ube nomntana at a young age. What age was that?
I was 15 and
grade
9.
You
And again, smart nasesikoleni because abomam they're convincing me ukuthi ndoda go do maths and physics. Nasekhaya they know everyone ekhaya yabo ukuthi singakusithweni. They know ukuthi if this one makes it, we know ukuthi yeah, this one will make
Sikon.
it because he's the one who's been talking about since school ukuthi low smart, low smart. So lento leyo vele yafaka disappointment ekhaya. And baba mke mina uSlech noma ngahlali naye but I knew ukuthi unama principles akafuna amathatha akafuna amagoli. Already mina senginazo lezi zinto emncane because I stay with my granny. In fact yabo if I can level ngicabanga abangani bami the time mina kune position bengikuyo bona bebakhona akumama babo bebagadile. Mina I was the only one who's free to do anything. So I
So gogo bekakuspoila.
abantu bebasho kanjalo ngale time but bengingayiboni ngibona manje ukuthi ugogo bekaspoil.
So would you say they can spoiler nonke or just you remember
So-
ukuthi wena manje awusana mama. So ufuna maybe ukuvala leyo gap because abazali bethu they make a mistake kakhulu. Makafuna ukuvala igap angasaboni usekaya kumosha kusase ukuspoiler but soze uyamosheka ke manje. Understand? So would you say beka spoiler wena because of uvala igap or very high ka into kagogo beka spoiler nje long uyisizukulu sakhe?
ugogo sonke uyasithanda shema
Yes.
sonke angeke uzulu yonke noma nami na umama uma uya kuyigogo she's your second mother. So
Yes.
sonke besigcine endlini.
Then other family members wona ke baye bayiva lento, how did they react? Khona okay wathi akakahlale nani or weza kuwe wathatha that initiative ukuthi ahlale nawe phansi akuzwe and then maybe on her behalf asuthi hayi mani mgolele or ngiyamgolisela bengisasa abantwana into ezinjalo.
Usisi wakhe her younger sister uye-ke ongi-understandayo because they remember makutshela le story ukuthi benginokubamba umuntu
Umbamba
wrong.
mistake.
So when this happened sekukhona amaphoyisa nanani I called her I put her on loudspeaker I was like remember the day umntwana silele embhedeni umangale ngibamba amabele ungitsipha athi I recall that ngithi it's because usisi wakho I was used to her you understand so uye-ke kuphela nalawa amanye ama-distant cousin aya because they know vele the real me bayazi ukuthi I wouldn't this is angeke uze usukele umuntu ngento enje.
Yo, okay. Manje sonabantwana but
Yeah.
umntwana wakho kuqala boku grade 9, 15 years old. Okay. How did this now? Manje njengoba sobudala so
Yeah.
ik-affecte kanjani ikufundiseni yini into ongathanda ukusifundisa yona njengoba sikumamele ula namhlanje?
Taught me a lot about women and about nje people nje besides women because I can't categorize ukuthi abobani but now I'm just very careful how I do things and how I see things and like nama principles nama philosophy ukuthi oh if this is like this it's called to this. So now when I look at women because now mina umuntu othanda i-value I put value into things. That is why I go back to this thing which has like I would have bengizozitshela ukuthi yeah I'm that guy. So this thing is eliminating lento leyo ukuthi ngithi I'm that guy.
The self-confidence.
You understand? Yeah. So that is why I had to go back to it in my life and then be like I didn't like this thing happening to me. At least ngabe ngizenzele ngamabomu amaphutha wami ngayoboshwa. That's on me. Mara into engazikhozelanga yona yiyo nje le I had to go back. So now I'm in relationships because like umuntu now I go to indawo I see people I'm likable maybe to some people. So I would meet someone, a girl, and then already ngathi nginescanner la emehlweni ngathi ngibhekile nje for even 1 minute I can tell because
Moshakela kumoshakala.
yeah because now I read a lot and I'm like mina umuntu othanda ukubheka ukuthi umuntu capable yana akekho capable yana. That is why nakimi nginokubuza ukuthi abanye abantu maybe abanye abantu mina I don't like that nginokubuza ukuthi how sesazwana nomuntu sesaxoxa siba open and then I ask you okay ke body count yakho 18 but that body count doesn't matter to me it matters because if you're capable of something that means you can do it at any other time. So mina I would love ukuthi mangisho now when I leave my things to say mina ke to ngicela ukubuyela emuva I love God mara ngiyisontweni. That's why I respect that man so much.
Yes.
So like I respect everything even his name I know we don't utter his name. He has the name that we can't utter if we're not holy.
Yes.
That is like number 10 commandments and stuff. So as ngikhula zikhona izinto ezishoda empilweni now. That is why I feel like I made a covenant with God. Sometime ngakhuluma naye ngamtshela ndoda into zami azikakahlangana. Ngiyafisa ukufollowa as much as I can, as much as you want. But for now, can you let me just maneuver and get to where I want and then I think I will do everything that you want. You understand? So that is why I feel like I'm a holy person but the environment engikuyo ayingivumeli ukuthi ngidedele inhliziyo ngibe lo muntu engifuna uba uye zonke izinto because
So it's safe to say again, this has instilled fear kuwe, this thing, because njengoba usho ukuthi wena sokwazi ukuscan abantu before you get involved, not only relationship wise, but ufuna ukwazi lo muntu, like yabona,
yeah.
ufuna make sure ukuthi lo muntu onjani and all that. So you get too much but too deep ezintweni. So meaning sokune-fear la kuwe. Would you say the fear instilled yiyo your experience being molested or being raped? I'm not sure which one we should use.
I would say the part of being molested was just the gate lokuqala, was just stage 1 because njengoba ngitshela ukuthi after grade 9 nasesikoleni I was that popular guy bengajaji. I don't know. At that time there was mixed seats, there was that. I used to date the most beautiful girl esikoleni. After that girl, the most beautiful. So I was popular by that. Amachita would respect me so much. So everything, man, was just smooth. I was like a celeb. Everything, even today, it's not like I'm working somewhere.
But now that's the
mangahamba mina nge-mall just to buy anything. Khona usisi uzongisukela the cash out, anything. And I would tell even my girlfriend, as namhlanje, or even gays, I attract gays more than women.
Yes.
So I'm not even bragging. It's true because
Yes.
like I have to have a car to impress, have to have an iPhone. I mean, I don't need anything. I told you even about the incident I had 2 weeks ago. That the people coming to me offering that, and they say, "Yeah, we'll pay you."
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, backstage you did. No, he did backstage.
Yeah. So
okay.
so I'm when it comes to that, I don't even have to put effort. That is why even when approaching Tombazana, my friend find extra effort. I'm like,
awujwayelanga
me extra effort.
sawona into ebunandi.
I said, not
They're
really.
confident in you.
Not really, it's not even confident. It's because even when I deny, I try to say, maybe in fact it was luck. It keeps happening because even now it's not like Melanie strafe, Melanie funny cavella. No, I'm just me. And then things happen eventually. So lento lenyenze, now I have the upper hand even when I don't have anything. That is why I'm saying even not into women phela nabantu nje, because one of my friends went to university angazi study in but the first year yakhe ama-basic abafunda kune-psychology phakathi.
Okay.
So I was like, he was studying and I saw that book ukuthi akayifundi kakhulu. So mina I'm a writer and a reader, so I do music, so I have to get inspired to do something. So I was like, can I see your book? I read it in my house and then I'll bring it back. So I was studying human behavior, psychology. It's okay, what happens when someone does
Yes.
that? So that is why I'm very, I would say dangerous rather than, I don't want to say I'm woke because many people labo are conscious. They like, I'm woke. I'm not woke because every day I learn something new.
Yeah, and we all do.
Yeah, so I'm that type of person.
Yo. So but yena umkolelile, your cousin.
Amkholela kudala. It's just nje it pissed me off ukuthi endlini they would portray her as a nice person and then they would portray me because mina if sesingahluleka ngomlomo ngimnandi na physical lamajeta amayazi everyone knows ukuthi if sahluleka la angidingi nokuthi okwenzeni manje siyayiqeda physical.
Yes.
So I think ekhaya bathuswile ukuthi makasekakhwathile lona sekaba angry plus akukho umuntu omdala wendoda lapha ekhaya. I was raised by women, probably 5 aunts.
Yes, yeah.
So this thing of women, remember I'm raised by women, many women abafani phela na. So that is why I can tell ukuthi untombazana mase emshadweni quite necessary ukuthi azothenga idress elisha yenze hairstyle akushadi yena mos.
Mawubheka abafazi ikutshintshe kanjani this whole experience yakho ngapha sonomntana wentombazana futhi. So remember ukuthi uyobheka abafazi ngelinye ilihlo unomntana wentombazana akwazi phela umbheka ngalelo lihlo. So babheka kanjani mase sosibheka.
Ungenze ngaba too extra careful because I even watched my father how baba mnaye arunda ngakhona entweni zakhe.
Okay.
So nje concerning women ne, because I'm a straight guy, I love women so much. I love every woman. Anginayo type yokuthi
Yeah.
ngithanda ngisho nesidudla, ngithanda isilende, dependa ngeni mood or nge-weather. So I love women like very much and I respect women. But I know women. So to start emntwaneni wami ngoba sekana 13.
Okay.
Nginokucoca naye ngithi yazinana ngoba ngiyasuka kuma-grade 7, grade 6 khona na umfananyana lona uma umbheka nje umbheke and ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi that day or noma sokuma-grade 10, grade 11 la udecide khona ukuthi uzoyehlisa iphenti khona mina ngizokupa-advise iyi-one ukuthi for mina babakho umfana uzomehlisela ipaint. Mina how I view women, ngitshela yena umntana how I view women. If you decide ukuthi uzoyehlisela loyo mfana ipaint, I so wish ukuthi uzitshele ukuthi uyomehlisela forever. Whether uya-cheat-a, whether uba i-drug, what, wozomlungisa ngoba you decided. Because let me tell you one thing, once if uthola igundwane naloyo mfana loyo, uyahamba uthola omunye umfana, umuntu ozoveliwe nalabo bantwana bakho uzoba i-simp for mina, because njengeyilwane, I go back to evolution. That's why I'm saying people do what they do to get where they want to be. Just like evolution, you understand?
Yes.
So it's tit for tat, butter for fat, survival of the fittest. It's either you eat or get eaten. So la, ilapho. So when you know what you love this guy, for me, even biblically speaking, mangifunda into zaNkulunkulu, he said women must submit to a man.
Yes.
You understand? So if umfazi sekanama-option njengamanje i-social media seyenza ukuthi abafazi babe nama-option. That is why I'm saying ukuthi ne-GBV kuzikhule kanje i-protect abafazi iphinde ibe yiyo futhi eyenza ukuthi bona balimale, because the same thing eyenzayo yiyo le eweaklina amadoda. You understand? So these days you can find a woman ozokhomanda indoda yakhe ukuthi yenza ingadi. Angithi kudala bengayenzakali beyenziwe, but manje seyinormal like. That is why uzothola amadoda sewahleli endlini, umfazi uyasebenza, yena sekuwuye ogada indlu, sekayapheka, sekayenzani. You understand? So mina from my side, I know from my DNA, from my blood, I'm meant to be an alpha man. I'm an alpha man. Even from my friends, I'm not the guy who's on my eyes. No matter how broke I am, you won't even, because even my eyes will tell you you don't mess with me. So I'm like that. It's not with pride. Maybe you can call it that, but yeah.
Unjalo nje.
Yeah, ingifikise ngaze ngabala, ngikhetshela nginaska, lekho umuntu omdelelayo. No one nje. I respect people. The same respect I give to you, you give back to me. So to women, that is why I say, uzothi intombazane, hey, has le ntombazane bengibhizi nayo, my ex, hey, yafika man, hey, inathi ezasifani nje. Yo, ngathi khona into eboyilayo la kimi, mawuvele usho kanjalo, anifani. As much as men, I mean, let me talk about straight men, ne, ngoba sifana ngisho nathi. Khona namadoda aphaphana, khona amadoda aphansi, amodest.
No, asifani.
Yeah, asifani, mara ngifuna ukutshela one thing, ukuthi amadoda sine common, njengama-fraction ane-common denominator. It's not into the common if you are straight. If a lady can come here to a bunch of straight men, all of us will feel the same thing. They feel like, where do you know? Where the cooking be? Because you're a straight man. You attracted
a man is a man.
So as much as a woman can decide what I'm so happy. So that means nabo bayafana bonke. Just nje ukuthi abafani exactly njengoba ngisho ngithi omunye angachintshela namhlanje, omunye angachintshela next week. So I'm not promoting that you should be polygamous or whatnot. I don't even like that concept, because if you struggle umfazi oyi-one, mase bayi-two or more, imagine. So that's my problem. That's my take on women. It's like, I feel like if you want to put lento zama-GBV, na lento zonke lezi ezenzakala sifuna zenzakala. No ukuthi nawo amadoda ekugcineni njengoba ngisho you can check even lions. If i-lion endoda izofika kule pride le izothola abafazi sebanamaphaphinyana, angeke izihlekisana nalamaphaphi, ehlafuna lezi zinto eziniphocelele fakowayo amaphaphi. So as much as now I've dated women who are single mothers, I'm saying, and I mean I have kids from back on my own. So if I date a chick that has a kid, that means I have to be a stepfather to this kid. And I have my heart on my kids. So I know that means I can be a stepfather if only the dad is
no long.
Yeah. But asaphila. I won't even care ukuthi lo mntwana uyapasa or u-actor as a gay or wenza. Even when I see traits ukuthi phela I've dated a chick where I see ukuthi uspoil umntwana wakhe omfana too much lo ukuthi le ntwana yomfana, he knows what I'm dating him at, and I've been dating him at so much. But I idolize mina le ntwana. Okay, khona into idolize njengebhola and whatever. But most things idolize umama. The way umama akajayiva ngakhona, namajayiva okudlala ngeyibu, even the expressions nje wezinto. So I could tell ukuthi le ntwana le esikoleni bayitreat, and then nokuzwa idoors ukuthi bamthatha esikhaftini because of ubaba akekho around. Yazi umntana makahleli nomama wakhe makazolimala, umama wakhe uzothi mntwana yami, ubaba uzothi evuka wena usilima wena. You understand? Ngoba ubaba knows ukuthi baba you still gonna face a lot of shit in life. So mangizokutetemisa la njengomama wakho, you won't plus it's a boy child. You understand? So that's why I'm saying ukuthi being a stepfather for me, angithi abanye abantu ababhayisikeli emsamo. But imagine uzobhiza unakana nomuntu uinveste eziningi out yami futhi bekwenye position in life beyi-manager. I-right life i-nice and bekanganabo abantwana. Lutsheri betshwela naye bekanomntwana.
Okay.
Athengele umntwana ahambe i-extra mile. I was like, oh. I was so scared ukuthi one day izoba nomntwana. I wonder ukuthi izoyenza. But yeah, unfortunately yaphelelwa umsebenzi. Yaba nabantwana bayithu mase iba nabantwana. Ayisakhoni manje ukuyenza lezi zinto beyizenzela lesa step kid. Labo bayi manje. Sibana sekho. Bona you wanted to impress the girlfriend. Abakho abantwana sebagcoka i-Weavers. What? You don't even know Weavers. Sekumele manje ngoba isimo standard of living. So that is why I'm saying with abafazi to lessen this thing. When you get into a relationship with a man, remember that that's a man. Maybe khona la ukuthi bazozwana namadoda la njengoba ngisho khona amadoda amasimple where you would allow to stay with your wife and then your wife would be like, "Hi, it's a girls' night out. I'll come back 2 days after." Hayi mina wamfazi. Mina wamfazi angithi sihleli namadoda sibukela ibhola ngale Kaizer Chiefs nePirates uzosilethela ukudla ufake into ezinjani semile abangani bami manje babukele mawungena uphuma. Na wamfazi ayisho ngathi that's why I respect those Islamic women mabazifihla. So yona vele sounda njani angiphaseleli whatever thing but that part that thing le ukuthi
Like talk about.
yeah, because as amadoda thina sipossessive. Yiyo sithanda success kanje mangizoba ne-BM ngibe nendi ngibe nani ngifuna ukuthi hayi ngiyami ya imoto yami ngithi ya umfazi wami. So how can I say umfazi wami if I'm not even sure ukuthi usinika kuphi nabobani nini? Understand? So if let's say that person can't provide for me, that means what's the reason why am I getting married? Why am I even getting to this idea ukuthi you umfazi wami this that?
So with that said, when abantwana bakho abantwana bomama oyi-1.
No.
So with the stepmother that is stepping in, if you don't mind me asking, how would you feel? I feel the same way feel ngakhona about being a stepfather.
I feel like I'm a stepmother to my 2 kids.
Yes. Because when manje you have decided that I don't want to date a woman onomntwana. So kuwe iba kanjani mawuzothola umuntu umthande but angafuni ukudata wena since unabantwana?
Okay, so njengoba ngishilo ukuthi mina I'm a guy who's philosophical. Yonke into yami icala physics, you can't calculate speed sento or weight sento without putting formula. So now I have a formula before everything that happens. So formula yami ile ukuthi I go back to the Bible ngoba njengoba I said ukuthi I love God and what.
Yes.
For me, a woman supposed to submit. I don't like umuntu question. I understand ukuthi umfazi manje can have a diploma degree, what not. Abe yonke into ayifuna. Again, that doesn't matter. As a woman, you should, if you said you love that man, just treat that man like a god. That is why now the theory lay with more engage. You must kneel down. I'll never kneel down, man. You kneel down to me, I put the ring to you. Maybe if you foot or foot, because yeah, like serious. I feel like me as a man, I want to kneel down to God only.
Okay.
So if I kneel down to a woman that is going to sleep with the current boy, for whatever reason that I didn't pay rent this month or whatnot, for whatever reason, so when I decide to make me hurt because mina ngibhadalangi rent or whatnot, so women should, if you say you choose that guy, you should obey that guy. See that guy as a god. So even when that guy says, I want to take another wife, Zamindele would understand. With Ganjan, I do not care because even when you check from the Bible, God did not create the world in the beginning and not what. He created the world and a man, and he saw that the man was bored. And then he created a woman of a rib of a man. Yes. It's not like Laba equal. That is why I don't like them 50-50. Doesn't work. It go grand with fast man, they can wear PPE, they can get in every position themselves in nan. But I go grand with fast, they must talk back to a man. Because if we can, I can say foot put your foot if foot cutters, man shine bam, will just let me back. Who you understand?
Now with foot. And I do respect your views,
yeah,
and your opinions.
Yeah.
Now, a woman has 13 ribs, njengoba usho, ne? Meaning, umfazi phela unokuningi ukudlula indoda. Nje indoda ina 12 ribs. Umfazi has got 13 ribs. So with your theory, oqeda ukubeka la etafuleni, you are saying umfazi mkhulu phela kunendoda.
No, I'm saying umfazi is a replica of a man because when God created the world, he said, when God created a man, he said, I create you in my image. When he created a woman, he did not say, I'm creating you in my image. I'm taking flesh and ribs out of this man and creating a companion for this man. And Gaba, guess what? It did not take even 24 hours for the woman to mess up everything that God has created. So listen what I'm saying. Listen what I'm saying. A woman should just obey to a man, or just don't get into a relationship if unozoba nemibono. Tell me now, girls night out, or with me, gay, because me, I'm an alpha. When I say whatever I say goes, you understand? I don't. You don't need magic. No, but anginazo lezi things finally the power, the money that I want to. If God provided me with the money and power, and not, because bathi nasemakhaya nabafazi bakhona basekho njalo. Because if umfazi wakho, imagine cabanga unomfazi unabantwana, yiko ngithi mina midlife crisis ile-ke ama-molestation that's high school, and I'm not even midlife, yabo.
Yes,
So
yes.
midlife ingibambe early, then even when, if manje ngaba nemali ngibe right, ayikho into ezongenzakalala, maybe I'll face another problems in life, mhlawumbe ama-tax, what not, hayi sabafazi nomdivorce. So I'm saying good, like, women when they get into relationships, for me, now, that's my advice now. That's what I'm saying. Good, they take advantage of men because njoba ngishabo mina I sound like I'm a rough guy, aggressive, whatnot, and then
And abusive.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to say. You sound like that.
No.
Anisha, we are adding on what you sound like.
Yeah, most women, every man that stand up for himself, njoba ngitshela abafazi, what do they do? Like the social media, say emotionally abusive. Whereas I don't even have a case of police station with I once hit a woman or whatnot. Women want to justify everything they do. That's why I'm saying with body count matters. For me, a woman that I would marry must, yimi kuphela kumele ngabe ngilale naye, yimi kuphela kumele ngabe ngibona nini. Otherwise I won't marry you. Marry you for what?
Wena ubona bangaka?
That's why I'm saying God allows a man can have 10 wives and what. Abu Solomon, Abu Banban had those things. So you can't compare a man and a woman. That's why I'm saying you are a replica of us. But ngoba manje sisivelize semhlabeni, you can't certain things the Bible says apply like life in. But if when you say you're Christian, that's what I'm saying. Nilan kuma Good Friday, uzazi kahle ukuthi nala speak about business ban. Kanjani. Mina, that's why I don't go to church, because I don't want to utter izinto zakaNkulunkulu. All I know ukuthi
They are
I
not
don't get
clean.
things. That is why I made a covenant with God, with my brother. Life grand, so I'll do a lot of sinning and whatnot to get to where I want to. So when I get there, please help me, God, ukuthi ngenze izinto the way you want to, so that even when I have kids, as I was in manje weekend, I was doing ngeke ngisho ini ngoba mara ngingayixoxa, yeah.
Anyways, ngingasangibali futhi sizoyikhahlela emapalini manje. Emadodeni, how do you think this oppresses amadoda? Because some of the guys abasabi ne-voice. Abanye bayasaba ukukhuluma ukuthi this has happened to me because banamahloni and all that. Ungathini for amadoda andlule what you went through in terms of the being raped usasemncane and basaba ukukhuluma and facing the culprit and all that. Ungathini kubo?
Mina ngithi sifana singabantu, so I wouldn't say it's necessary to even ukuthi uqoqe story sakho, because when I told my story, unfortunately or fortunately, one of my cousins wentombazana, she told me her story, ukuthi yazi nami lento yenzakele, mara mina sami story ayengisikhuluma ngoba this person is still with this person and I could ruin a lot of things. And so I was like, can't accept even in my family. So I was like, damn, this thing is big. So to the men, it's not necessary ukuthi uzokhuluma story sakho njengami. Whatever you feel like doing, do it. But I wouldn't say ukuthi into yenza amadoda ukuthi abulale or rape yenzeni. There's a lot of things amadoda andlula kuyo. Mina I'm lucky ukuthi this thing happened clean, azange bangigwaza, azange bangikhombe, and you still can talk about it today. So
thank you very much, Senzo, for joining us today. Word of the day, amagama okugcina ongasinikeza wona with our viewers, please.
amagama okugcina bengithi abafethu asincengeni man, as noma uthola isipani futhi lezi ezisekasi, noma uthola isipani ungathi uma uqeda ukuhlaniswa le double digit yakho epay, ufuna uthenga ipholo, ufuna ukuyobamba ubani every weekend kumele sizwe ngawe. There's more to life than the lifestyle yethu yokubhizi egroovini, nibhizi nibambana licheri zethu, niba ihonga kithi ngoba sinawo lama-pay. Nisazobadla for manje, hayi forever. So into ongayenza, investa i-generation yakho isezwe, usazoba nabantwana, yenza into enyane ene-4line, think out of the box. Ibhizinisi yakho ingapheleli thema, do a lot man, internationally, khwaye.
Oh, la.
Abomama nabo ngithi I love you all, naniphushani, Niyehlise manalo.
Yo, yazi ukuthini. No, thank you for coming phela sekhaya. We've got this for you from Iziki to say hi kule winter baba afudumale. Uzafudumala yini baba Thengo Stanley. Siyabonga. Thank you very much, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us. Read your stories, write to us. Asinzweni ukuthi nina nithini. And please do remember, our views are not of our guest views. So thank you so much. This was Iziki. I'm your girl Strawberry. Peace.
Poleng Media Production.